Welcome to our Flicker Fusion. In this game we have 3 themes: Classic, Stars in Space and Lanterns. Now we start at the classic one. Choose the smallest size first to introduce the game rules. Also, we turn off the random event. Okay, now you can see this is our chessboard. We have limited step and it can show our moves now. Now we type the question mark to show the command list. This can show the inputs. Now let's try to input something. Now you can see the state of the target light and its 4 adjacent neighbors are changed. Now we continue. For convenience, I speed up the process of solving the puzzle. This is the final step. This is the winning animation. Now we win. Now we press enter and return to the menu. We try the star theme then. This is the storyline. It's about the interstellar exploration. We need to turn off all the stars to escape. We choose size 5 and turn on the random event. Now you can see the broken stars. They are in red colors. We can use the same method to solve this problem, and I also speed up the solving progress. Now we win as well. This is a winning storyline. Now let's back to the menu again. Now we try out the lantern theme. This is the storyline for lanterns. It's about the Mid-Autumn Festival. We choose the biggest size and turn on the random event. The winning strategies are all the same, so I speed up them. Now we win. This is the storyline. Now we could back to the menu. But what if we failed? Now let's try out them. Use lantern as an example. One of the conditions to lose the game is to exceed the limited step. Now let's randomly type anything to exceed it. Oh no, we lose it. Now we can restart it. You can see the location of the lit lights are randomly placed again, but the broken lights remain unchanged. Now we can try it again. Also, if you find it too hard, you can just type give up. Then you will have the give up storyline. That's all of our Flicker Fusion game.
The design of the game is inspired by Lights Out. It's expanded with narrative themes like stars and space and lanterns. The code is organized into modules. The animation module handles effects like shining lights and refreshing the grid, so it feels like a real game instead of just scrolling text. The theme data file includes a dictionary to store ASCII art and story text. Colors make the grid clear. Yellow means on, black means off, and red means broken. The solver module validates puzzles with analyze puzzle function. The game logic module contains the core functions, creating new grids, adding broken cells through random events, toggling cells, and checking win or loss. The grid itself is a two-dimensional list of booleans that track on and off states. The new grid function generates puzzles that are always solvable and returns the minimum number of steps needed. The toggling function flips a cell and its neighbors, while skipping broken ones. Players interact through simple text commands. Input validation is used to handle errors safely. The process command function interprets inputs like row and column numbers or other commands. The menu system lets players choose a theme, board size, and whether broken lights appear.